Good morning students. Hope all of you are well and concentrating on your studies. In the previous video we have already discussed about the preparation of alcohol from alkene by acid catalyzed hydration method. Today I am going to discuss and continue in this video preparation of alcohol from alkene and acid catalyzed hydration method. Today we will learn another method also. At first from alkene. Today we will use unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene undergoes to hydration in which presence of acid, the formation of propane to all. Because we know that during this method there will be two carbocation formed, 1 degree or 2 degree. 1 degree carbocation is less stable in comparison to 2 degree carbocation. So according to Markovnikov's rule, here we use Markovnikov's rule, and the major product will be propane to all. Okay student. Next, by hydroboration oxidation method. In which method we will at first know the nature of diboron. We know that boron trihydride exists in nature in the dimer form. Boron is electron deficient in nature, and it is also known as Lewis acid, and it has also vacant p orbital. Let us see. When propane react with boron trihydride, at first this pi electron shifted towards the first carbon, and second carbon acquire positive charge, which is stabilized by this methyl group by plus I effect. When both pi electron goes on that carbon, there is a vacant p orbital present on boron, and it get attached with boron. In that condition, hydrogen takes 2 electron and goes to carbon 2 to stabilize this carbocation 1, 2 and 3. In condition, we have a compound form. It is known as N-propyl boron. Boron again becomes electron deficient, and it further react with one of the alkene, means propane. Same mechanism takes place. Boron gets attached with first carbon, and one of the hydrogen gets attached to second carbon. In that condition, we have dipropyl boron. Boron have one hydrogen left, so again it react with propane. Same mechanism takes place, and formation of tripropyl boron. This tripropyl boron undergoes to oxidation in presence of hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium. The formation of propane 1-ol takes place along with boric acid. Again I am explaining it. Propane, when treated with boron trihydride, we know the nature of boron. Boron is electron deficient, and Lewis acid, it can accept electron, and propane, which is a electron rich molecule, both the electrons goes to first carbon and get attached to boron because it has already a empty orbital, p orbital. In that condition, hydrogen takes 2 electron and get stabilized to carbon number 2. We have N-propyl boron compound formed. Now boron again becomes electron deficient. It again reacts with propane and same mechanism repeated, and the formation of dipropyl boron takes place. Boron has already 1 hydrogen left, so it again react with propane and tripropyl boron will form. This goes on oxidation, presence of peroxide and alkaline medium. We have propane 1-ol form. By this method, we can easily prepare propane to propane 2-ol and propane to propane 1-ol. This is very important for conversion point of view. Now next, carbonyl compound by using Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is a alkyl or aryl magnesium halide, and it is a greater source to release carbon anion. As we know, there is a polarity difference between magnesium and carbon. Carbon is more electronegative than magnesium, so Grignard reagent easily release carbon anion, and the mechanism involved in it. See at first, we know that carbon and oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so pi electron shift towards this. In that case, it require negative charge and it require positive charge. When Grignard reagent treated with this carbon anion attack this electrophilic center, and electron present on oxygen goes on that particular species. In that condition, there is a addition product formed. Which undergoes to acidic hydrolysis to form alcohol. This is the mechanism involved when we prepare alcohol from carbonyl compound by using Grignard reagent. At first we use formaldehyde. By using formaldehyde, we prepare addition product. At first, upon acidic hydrolysis, formation of formation of 1-degree alcohol. By using formaldehyde or methanol, we prepare always primary alcohol. Any other aldehyde, if we use like ethyl, propyl, any with Grignard reagent, there is a byproduct also. Upon hydrolysis, we will get (2° alcohol. If we use formaldehyde or methanol, we will get primary alcohol. Apart from this, if any other aldehyde used by Grignard reagent, we will get 2° alcohol. For 3° alcohol, we will take ketone. Of carbonyl group. Electrophilic attack takes place here. By this method, we can easily prepare 1°, 2° or 3° alcohol. Remember that carbonyl group, only formaldehyde gives 1° alcohol, any other aldehyde gives 2° alcohol, and for 3° alcohol, carbonyl group means ketone is used with Grignard reagent. Here is the mechanism. At first, we know that carbonyl group is a polar in nature. There is this electronegative difference between carbon and oxygen. Loosely bonded pi electron shifted towards the oxygen, and there is a positive field created, means carbon becomes electrophile. In that condition, Grignard reagent, which is a greater source of carbon anion, this carbon attack to this electrophilic center, and there is a addition product formed. After acidic hydrolysis, we will get alcohol. And formaldehyde, any other aldehyde and ketone, by using Grignard reagent, we can prepare 1°, 2°, 3° alcohol. Now, next point. By the reduction of, from carbonyl compound, by the reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Ketones. So many reducing agents used to reduce the aldehyde and ketone. Catalytic hydrogen, in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium, some metallic hydride like lithium, aluminum, hydride, sodium, complex metallic hydride. It is a sodium borohydride, sodium in ethanol, diborane in ether. So many reducing agents are used to reduce aldehyde and ketone. Among this, lithium aluminum hydride is very strong reducing agent, and it is very expensive, and it is used for preparing special chemical compound. At first, reduction of aldehyde. Reduction of aldehyde in presence of catalyst, either nickel or sodium borohydride. Formation of 1 degree alcohol takes place. For example, ethanol get reduced in presence of nickel or platinum. We have primary alcohol, ethanol or ethyl alcohol. In presence of ketone, when ketone reduced, lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride or catalytic hydrogenation is in presence of nickel or platinum. Ketone when reduced, it will form 2 degree alcohol. This preparation method is very important for the conversion point of view. For example, acetone, reduced to form propane 2-ol. By reduction of acid, carboxylic acid undergoes to reduction lithium aluminum hydride, after that acidic hydrolysis, formation of 1 degree alcohol. For example, we can take benzoic acid. We have benzyl alcohol. Benzoic acid undergoes the reduced presence of this reducing agent, formation of benzyl alcohol. From ester, reduction of ester. It is also reduced lithium aluminum hydride first, then acidic hydrolysis. There will be mixture of alcohol formed, one from acyl group and one from alkoxy group. For example, in presence of lithium, aluminum hydride, in this way we can prepare alcohol by the reduction of aldehyde, ketone, acid and ester. Commercially, ester first converted to commercial method is this. First acid converted to, in presence of alcohol, first acid converted to ester, then catalytic hydrogenation, formation of alcohol takes place. From primary aliphatic amine. We can also prepare alcohol from primary amine by using nitrous acid. Nitrous acid, we know that the formula is nitrous acid is prepared by treating the sodium nitrite with ConHCl. So formation of primary alcohol and nitrogen and water. This is the conversion point of view. For example, nitrous acid, ethanamine, formation of ethanol, nitrogen and water from alkyl halide. We already read this method in haloalkanes. When alkyl halide treated with aqueous KOH, formation of alcohol takes place. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, that's enough for today. Go through the video, learn all the preparation method. In next video we will discuss the preparation of phenol also. Okay, thank you.